Very cute. It's very cute, guys. Look! He come with me. Oh my gosh. It's very cute. Problem is I have no foods to give with here.
Cute naman ni Muning.
That's why.
Muning.
It's very cute.
Muning. Ay,
I want here, but we go in the Philippines because expensive.
Parang buntis yung Muning.
Expensive po, guys. Pag i-travel natin Pilipinas to, expensive. Kaya video-video na lang po tayo.
Muning! Buntis ikaw, Muning. Galing naman
Ang
yung Muning.
cute.
Cute naman, oh. Ayan. Ayan. Ayan, Muning.
Binibidyo siya ni,
Oh, Muning.
ni Lidina Vlogs.
Muning, sama ka? Sama ikaw?
Our eyes is kulay
Sama
green.
ikaw, yung buntot niya. Sama ikaw?
Buntis yata to. Oh, no.
Buntis, parang buntis. Sama ikaw?
He's want to scratch with me. I don't like it.
Sama ikaw?
I don't wanna touch.
Sama.